Did a lot of cleanup writing in today's revisions. There were some interesting matters and questions to consider though. In the last video, I reviewed why the incarnation is a paradox from the human perspective. Our minds cannot reconcile the antipodes of the necessary in history. Today we examined why God may want it that way. Why does God want to beguile the intellect with the riddle that is Christ? Perhaps God wants to break our conceptual apparatus so that we cease relating to him algorithmically as a problem that is to be solved or a conclusion proved. The absolute paradox may finally cease the vexing search for God objectively. Further, the manifestation as a personal God allows God to be recognized as the personal subject he is. From here, I considered the nature of the Christ as absolute paradox. How is Christ different from other paradoxes? The incarnation has to be a special form of paradox, right? Otherwise, worshiping a square circle will get the same job done in regards to soteriology and subjective truth. The definition of a formal contradiction was considered. A formal contradiction was roughly defined as when there is a tension between two concepts that are fully known, i.e. the square circle. We have no doubt what a square and a circle are. The question is the God-man like a formal contradiction? Do we know what a man is, like we know a square? Do we know what a God is, like a circle? It seems we know these things partially, just enough to sense the paradox of the synthesis, but the concepts remain beyond human reason, preventing conceptual reconciliation. Maybe this bestows some uniqueness upon the Christian paradox.